This is my yearly report. The year that I chose is 1914. The reason that I chose this year is that an event that changed the world forever happened at that year, which is World War One. World War One began in 1914 after the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand and lasted until 1918. During the conflict, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria, and the Ottoman Empire, known as the Central Powers, fought against Great Britain, France, Russia, Italy, Romania, Japan, and the United States, also known as the Allied Powers. Thanks to new military technologies and the horrors of trench warfare, World War One saw unprecedented levels of carnage and destruction. By the time the war was over and the Allied powers claimed victory, more than 16 million people, soldiers and civilians alike, were dead. It is said that the war had another casualty beside humans, which is traditional ideas about Western art. World War One helped to accelerate modernism, which is a natural response to industrial age. Many consider that World War One had a bigger impact on culture than World War Two, although the latter one had more casualties. The impact of the war on art can be seen during and after the war. Artists started to make paintings that represented the destroyed cities, burning houses, soldiers, injured people, cemeteries, and widows. The artists of World War One used a documentary style rather than a dramatic style that was used previously. Not only the war affected the painters that were observing, but also the soldiers that were fighting. For example, Otto Dix, a German soldier that fought for Western and Eastern sides, started to draw terrific paintings after the war was over. World War One had a devastating effect on humanity. It was a manifestation of evil in action. The evil and destruction that was caused can still be seen in paintings and pictures from that period of time.